What's up, you guys? This is a quick announcement before the vlog starts. So this vlog is actually a month ago, which was Hurricane Maria, but now is when I am able to put it up because I found a place with internet, and we have no electricity. Still 90% of the island is still without electricity, still without water. There's no drinking water anywhere. There's barely even food. Supermarkets are not filling up. On these days, I will be putting up every single day that I've been vlogging since Hurricane Maria. But before that, this announcement is I started a GoFundMe page so I could raise money for my foundation that's called Sonríe Conmigo. If you want to look it up on Facebook, the link's down below. What we're going to do is that we're going to raise the money so we could get together some care packages, because there are some parts of the island where they cannot get food at all whatsoever, and they are trying to struggling. They're going day by day, struggling, trying to get by, and they have no access to clean water. There's a very deadly disease going around because of it, and they have no food and stuff. So this is what we're doing. The link is going to be down below. Please donate. $1 makes a difference. If you can't donate, share it. Tag your friends, your family, everything. If you can't donate, share it as well. We need the word out. Now enjoy this vlog. It was scary. What's up, you guys? We got another vlog, and it's about another hurricane. Because 2 weeks ago, Hurricane Irma hit us, and now it's Hurricane Maria. I got Natalia here. I'm at her house.
Of course.
Of course. Because she's finally here. Last hurricane she wasn't here. She was at her mother's house. But now she's in the neighborhood. So now, if we're underwater, I could just surf to her, you know?
She's so cute, right?
I know, right?
It's beautiful.
Always there for you. Yeah, I'm here trying to make the fun out of it a bit. Oh, she's worried.
Well, I'm worrying because we're gonna die, man. We're gonna like...
Oh, don't exaggerate. Okay. It's gonna be bad. This one's gonna be bad. Like, you probably, if you did not see my Hurricane Irma vlog, you should go check it out. But this one is straight towards us. Like, this is gonna hit us, and the eye is gonna be there. And the thing is, this hurricane is actually going so slow, it's gonna last 2 days. It's gonna be from tonight, Tuesday, to Thursday afternoon, they were saying.
Yeah, we're gonna die.
No, we're not gonna die.
Rest in peace. You know, it was nice meeting
out,
you
then,
guys.
you know, we survived. I survived, at least.
Yeah, you survived because of your surfboard. You be like surfing everywhere. You see, oh snap! You need a paddleboard.
Well, there's no paddle for it, but I'll take a broom. Start using the broom.
Yeah, Sabrina, what the hell are you doing? I'm surviving.
Surviving. What else? So, oh, but I got the boogie board. So what we do is take rope and just tie it to my surfboard. Then you get on the boogie board.
I am so dumb. I will fall and die and drown.
All you gotta do is fucking hold on. That's all you gotta
die.
So we have prepared an emergency room with all the materials, bagged food, blankets, games, food, and everything. Cause this is gonna be bad. Just listen to that. It's okay, Sushi. It's okay. That's how the door's showing right now. So these windows are leaking, and there's a pool on the counter.
Try not to step on this towel because
it's super wet.
The water just came out. It's just like sponging.
Okay. Everything got soaking wet that was on the counter. Also, this room started getting flooded, so I put a towel for now. See how that holds up. Water's still coming in. Mopped everything up, but the water's still gonna come in. This is just a beginning. 5:15. It's currently 5:15, and it hasn't even entered. The eye hasn't entered Puerto Rico yet. And that's how you juggle, my friends. So a lot of water's coming in through my window. This whole curtain is soaking wet. And I ended up having to put this blanket on top of my desk just so it doesn't get too much water damage on it. So the sun's coming up now. So we are running to get a mattress up because that tree, you can't even see it. There's a tree right there that's about to fall and it's gonna break. We got 2 mattresses propped up. This whole wall is leaking. The whole floor. Oh yeah, when we went to California. It's currently 6 in the morning. We've been through 3 hours of this. And this is going to be on until Thursday. And today is Wednesday. There's already a lot of junk. And the street is already filling up with water. Got our dog. But don't worry, I'm with her. And it's because there's actually no wind coming inside the Marquesina. Everything you hear is outside, so there's no wind coming inside. So she's safe. We're taking care of it, but soon she'll be going inside with us. Our whole roof is filled with water and just splashing around. I don't know if you can tell. Look, there you can see in the left corner the water. Coming down from the roof. The street is officially flooding. It's filled with water. And it's already coming up to the side.
There was a pot.
Ah! A what?
A pot, like a planting pot floating down the street.
Oh, one of those black plastic ones?
It was like green and big. It was a weird shaped one.
Oh, okay. Hopefully it's not.
Something floating by.
Yeah.
It looks plastic.
Look, it's already coming up to the sidewalk. What?
Is that garbage can?
A garbage can.
Not ours, right?
Oh my god. Whoa. That's all coming off from our roof. What? Oh. There goes the can. There goes the first garbage can.
Down.
They did with a rock.
Oh.
They put a rock on the trash can and now it's flapping around and it's definitely gonna come off soon.
Our bricks are holding up.
Yeah, we have bricks on ours. Look, they're right there. Is our tree holding up? Hopefully it doesn't fall on anything on the car.
I heard something clang earlier.
Clang?
I heard something go, boom, and then I heard like metal on the tile. Like that kind of sound. I looked around, it sounded like something metal hit the car.
Oh.
But I didn't see anything, so I'm saying.
Whoa! The cortina's loose.
Fuck.
What are we gonna do about that? We can't go out? Do not try this during a hurricane. Okay? Trying to tie the cortina back down. It's about 8:30 right now. I had closed my eyes to take a little nap and I woke up to a gush, just like the biggest, loudest gush of wind. And when I jumped up and looked to the side, which is here, my whole plastic window was about just about to fly off. Everything was soaking wet there. So we had to take one of the extra mattresses and prop it up there. So far, this is our backyard.
Here you can see the metal.
I want to with the camera. All of those trees are without leaves. Yeah, you can see it in the camera. And then we have the big tree over here. It left the window and now it's on the side of the house. It's pretty much calm now. There's still wind. The tree is knocked down completely. Almost on the car. Still a really strong wind. My hat went flying, but you see debris everywhere. Just everywhere. entrance of our neighborhood, and we are stuck here. There, that's the stop sign, right there, that red little dot. Nothing's left. Everything's knocked down. Oh my god. So, fill the water. Try and clean everything out now. So we're sweeping up water. It's faster than the mop. So you guys should try that. If your house ever floods, just sweep the water.
Sweep the water.
Look, see? Boom. Sweep the water. Pour in the bucket. Easy.
Cabo Rojo, Corozal, Naguabo, Guaynabo, San Lorenzo y San Germán, San Sebastián y mi viejo San Juan.